All right, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over my number one tip to increase your current search engine rankings. So how to really increase the amount of traffic you're getting from Google every single month. So for this exercise, we have Google Search Console open, we have Google Analytics open, and we have Google Sheets open. So we went to drive.google.com and we open a new Google Sheets. So you can also use Microsoft Excel for this, but you really need something like this to be able to use this exercise with me. So we're going to come back over here to Google Search Console, and the first thing we want to do is make sure we have our Google Search Console account linked to our Google Analytics account. So I'm in my analytics screen here, I'm in the admin screen for Beachfront Decor, and what you want to do is under product linking here, go to all products and just make sure that your Search Console is actively linked and receiving data. So if you have these set up through the same email like I do, so the same Gmail account, you just click on link here. So mine's going to say adjust link, and then you just make sure you have it linked through Google Analytics. So you want to make sure you do this, and you want to make sure you're getting all the data from your website through Google Search Console. So we're going to come back over here. We're going to click on save. So we have them both linked now. So now all we need to do is use Google Analytics for this entire exercise. So we click on acquisition here. We're going to come to Google Search Console, and we're going to look at our top landing pages. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the last 3 months of data, so March, April, and May of 2019, and we're in Search Console landing pages under acquisition in Google Analytics. We're going to scroll down here, and what we want to do is look at the top pages, so the top landing pages by impressions. So we're just going to look at total impressions for some of these top landing pages, and we scroll down here a little bit, and what we have is the top 50 rows. So this is really what I want to do this with. And ultimately what our goal is to increase the amount of clicks to each of these landing pages over the next month and really the next 3 months. So every time I do search engine optimization work, I really consider it kind of a 3-month goal. So I don't look at it like I need to increase my traffic right away. I look at it as, okay, so the first quarter I want to have this much traffic, and then I want to do this much work, so over the second quarter I can get even more traffic. So what we're going to be doing is taking some of these landing pages. So we'll start right here with beach theme bedroom ideas. I'm just going to take this, we're going to copy the URL. We're going to come over here and we're going to paste the URL right here. So you can see beach theme bedroom ideas. And the way this URL works is it's just our website. So I know that it's just like that. So I can just keep it just like beach theme bedroom ideas. And then as I'm looking up some of these different pages, so after we click on that landing page, it's going to show us the top search queries that are driving impressions for that landing page and what's driving clicks. So we're going to scroll down here a little bit. We're going to make sure we have 25 rows. So what I want to do is come here to beach theme bedroom, and I want to copy the first 15 to 20 rows really. So anything that's really relevant. So I'm going to do the top 19 right here. So up to beach themed room ideas. And we're going to copy it. We're going to come back over to Google Sheets here and we're going to paste. So this is going to be a little bit of a manual process here. So we're going to take all these numbers over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete this column, and now we have all of these different keywords. So we're going to come over here, delete this, and I'm going to delete this information here. So really simple, just kind of trying to pull out some of these top keywords here. Now there's different ways to do this. If you're really good in Excel, if you're really good in Google Sheets, you can figure out really easy ways to do this. But what I'm going to do is open up this row A. So now what we're going to do is take all of these over here, just take them like that, and we're just going to drag them right underneath beach theme bedroom ideas. So now what we have is our page up at the top here, and then the top search terms that are actually driving clicks and driving impressions to this page. So what we're going to do is continue to do this for every single page. So we're going to come back to the top here. Under landing pages, we're just going to come here and click on all. So now what we want to do is come down to the next landing page. Now we're on beach theme bathrooms. So with beach theme bathrooms, I just want to copy this right here. So we're going to copy it, click on it, come over here, copy and paste it into beach theme bathrooms. I'll just do value only, and we're going to open this up. So now we come back over to Google Analytics, and now you can see we have the same exact thing here. So what we're going to do is make sure we increase the rows. So we're just going to go to 25. So now we're going to take this first one and we'll come back down here to 20. So 20 should be good right here. So we're just going to copy the first 20 keywords, and we're going to come back over to Google Sheets. We're going to copy and paste this, and we're going to take all these keywords right here, and we're going to move them underneath beach theme bathrooms, and we're going to come here and we're going to delete all these numbers. So I'm not really too worried about the numbers right now, and you can also make this look a little bit better. So maybe I want to bold this, make these 12, and we'll underline them or something like that. So then I can see, okay, this is for this page. These are all the keywords for beach theme bedroom ideas. These are all the keywords for beach theme bathrooms. Now, ultimately what we want to do is I open this right here. So this is beach theme bathrooms. This is my page that's ranking really well in beachfront decor. What I want to do is I want to make sure that every single one of these keywords, and if it's close, so beach theme bathroom, beach themed bathroom, if it's close like that, you don't have to worry about including both, but you can, especially if you have a lot of content on the page. But I want to make sure I have each of these different keywords on this individual page. And so as I scroll down here, you can see we have all this text right up here. If we scroll down, there's a little bit more text as we continue going down the page. I want to make sure that each of these keywords is going to be on each of these pages. And I'm just pulling the keywords that are already triggering these pages for my website. So I'm already ranking pretty well for some of these keywords here. And we're going to do this for every single landing page. So ultimately what I want to get to is continuing to do this for these top pages here. And then as you come down here a little bit, so I'm going to open up to 50 again. As you come down here a little bit again, let's just say I have something like beach and nautical crib bedding. So we'll take this, we'll copy it, and we'll click on it. We'll come over here, copy and paste it. So I would do it all the way in order, and I would do it for the top 50. And we're going to do paste values only. We're going to open this up like that. We're going to come to Google Analytics, and there might be quicker ways to do this. Honestly, this is just the way I've always done it. So it might take me about an hour to put together this spreadsheet. I'm not going to do the entire thing of the video. I'm just kind of trying to give you some ideas. But you can see ocean themed nursery bedding, ocean themed baby bedding. As I scroll down and I copy and paste all of these keywords here, what I can do is come in here. So copy and paste. So we're going to come over here. And what it's going to help me do is not only find additional keywords for my pages here, but I can also find some different ideas for new content. So something like beach and nautical crib bedding. So you could see sea themed baby bedding, ocean themed baby bedding. So maybe I want to create a specific page related to ocean themed baby bedding. And then what I do is I focus on each page at a time. So if I take beach and nautical crib bedding, the last thing I will do is I will go to the Google Keyword Planner. So if I open the Google Keyword Planner here, I already have a different search that I've done recently. And what I can do is, as I'm improving this page, beach and nautical crib bedding, I can come over here and I'll take 10 different keywords. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. So we'll take 10 keywords. We'll copy the keywords. So we're just using this right in Google Sheets, copying the keywords. We're over in the Google Keyword Planner now, and we're going to paste 10 keywords at a time. So you can only enter up to 10 keywords at one time. You can also add a URL, but I'm just going to keep these 10 keywords. I could also take the URL here that I have up at the top, but just to show you the keywords, if I click on Get Results, it's going to show the top keywords by relevance, and it's going to show some keywords down at the bottom. So you can see mermaid crib bedding. So if I'm already ranking decently for this keyword of beach and nautical crib bedding, and Google is telling me, hey, mermaid crib bedding is also a very popular keyword, then that's just another example of content that I can create. So example content ideas. So what you can do is open up a new sheet. So I can open up a new Google Sheet here. I can just scroll at the bottom and I can just do new content, and I can do mermaid bedding. So essentially what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to find some different keywords that will help me rank higher for these existing pages. So I already have beach themed bedroom ideas. It's already driving a lot of traffic for my website. If I take some of these other keywords here, so I copy them, come up to the keyword planner, and I paste those keywords here, I click on Get Results, then I can find even more keyword ideas. And I can also look for, so some different things here. So beach themed rooms, beach themed room. So if I do that, I can probably create something like 100+ beach themed rooms and just have a bunch of pictures on the page. And I can also rank high for that keyword as well. So I can find additional keywords here that will be even better than my existing landing pages. So something like mermaid nursery bedding here, like I showed you. If I come up over back to the keyword planner, you can see coastal bedroom, beach themed living room. So I'm looking at some of the top keywords here. So beach themed bedroom has a ton of average monthly searches, and I can just click by average monthly searches to find more examples of keyword ideas that I'm not ranking for. So beach themed living room, beach room decor, beach bedroom decor, coastal bedroom. So some different ideas that I can continue to create new content for. So let's just come down here. We'll do beach themed living room. and I can see, okay, I'm not already ranking for that page yet, or that search term yet, so I want to create a page related to beach themed living rooms. So it's just another way to find more keywords for your business. You can do the same for each individual page here. And what I would continue to do, and basically what I do, is I first start by building out about 50 of these total. So I'll come back over here to landing pages. I'll look at my top landing pages by impressions, and it's going to help you find pages that you can really optimize for because they're already getting a ton of impressions. There's already a lot of keywords that people are typing in that are triggering these pages. And you can see here, my click-through rate is only 1.18%. For this individual page. It has 73,000 impressions, 870 clicks. So there's a lot of opportunity there. Beach themed bathrooms only has 0.86% click-through rate. So if I can continue to optimize these pages for the existing keywords that are triggering these pages and continue to add more content, I can really get the most out of these impressions. So ultimately what I'm trying to do here is improve my average position, especially for some of these keywords. So if I click on beach themed bathrooms and we look at the different keywords that are triggering this page, you can see my average position is pretty good for the most part for most of these. As we come down here a little bit, if I look at 50 total, you might find some different keywords. My average position is a little bit lower. So let's see, 8.3 for beachy bathroom. Maybe I want to add more, I just want to add this individual word to the page. So beachy bathroom. And maybe I want to do something like 10 beachy bathrooms you'll love for your children. 10 beachy bathrooms you'll love for inspiration. That can improve my average position here and help me drive more clicks for the existing impressions I'm already getting. So hopefully this is all helpful. So basically I'll just take these landing pages, I'll find the top search terms that are triggering these landing pages, and I'll continue to improve my content over time. So this is really a long-term process. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. And everything that I know about search engine optimization is it's a long-term process. So we'll take the ultimate guide to nautical bedding sets, copy it, we'll come over here, we'll paste it. I'll just paste the value only. I usually rank these by the top 50, so then I know kind of how to work with them. And then as I do one, I'll just take the column and I'll just fill it in, and I'll just fill it in with a color. So whichever color it is. So as I finish it, I'll just do that, and then I move on to the next one. So it's really going to help you find some different optimization opportunities for your business, and you can keep doing this. So we'll show rows 25. And again, you're going to find more examples. So if I'm looking at just nautical bedding sets, I can find some long tail keywords that are triggering this page. So I'm going to do a little bit more about long tail keywords in an additional video, but just coming down here. So we'll take the top 17 here down to nautical sheets. We'll come over here, we'll copy and paste it. And there you go. And now we can just get rid of this other information here. You can keep that information if you want to. I mean, if you want to group things together and things like that, that's something that you can do, but just really simple. Ultimate guide to nautical bedding sets. I can see some of the top keywords that are triggering this. And then I can also just come back over here, copy and paste some of these top keywords here. So I'll copy them, come over to keyword ideas and copy and paste our new ones and click on get results. And now we can see which keywords are driving the most average monthly searches. So nautical bedding, nautical quilts. I can make sure I have a page on my website related to nautical quilts, nautical comforter, nautical bedding sets, nautical bedspread. So all of these I can really use to create additional content on my website and then link it to that main content and continuously increase the impressions for my top pages and increase the clicks for my top pages. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I love to use Google Analytics and use the Google Search Console data in particular to really find the top search queries for my individual pages here. So if you click on page, you can go to search queries here, and you can also do it this way as well. So just some different ways to do it. I like to use Google Analytics. It's just the way I've done it, but you can use either or here. So just look at individual pages, get rid of it, come back over to pages, and you can continuously look at all of this data here. So you don't need to connect your Google Analytics account. It's just the way that I do it. I find it very easy that way. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Thanks again for watching our video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.